Said when someone asks you about an experience that was very bad.
Ask. Ask. How was the meeting? Don't ask.
When someone tries to make someone else do something by arguing, persuading, etc.
Pressure. Pressure. Public or political pressure.
A difficult situation that makes you feel worried or unhappy.
Pressure. Pressure. The pressures of work.
Something that is very bad and harmful.
Evil. Evil. Drug addiction is one of today's great social evils.
If someone collapses, they fall down, usually because they are ill or weak.
Collapse. Collapse. He collapsed and died of a heart attack.
The way you deal with or behave towards someone or something.
Treatment. Treatment.
Peter gets special treatment because he knows the boss.
The sudden failure of a system, organization, business, etc.
Collapse. Collapse. He suffered a mental collapse after 10 years teaching.
Knowledge about a subject, situation, etc. or about how something works.
Understanding. Understanding. She doesn't have any understanding of politics.
The work needed to keep a road, building, machine, etc. in good condition.
maintenance, maintenance,
car maintenance classes,
To fall down suddenly because of pressure or having no strength or support.
collapse, collapse. The chair collapsed under her weight.
Showing sympathy for someone's problems.
Understanding, understanding. Fortunately, my boss is very understanding.
One of the two long, flat parts at the sides of an aircraft that allow it to fly.
Wing, wing. I could see the plane's wing out of the window.
Sympathy.
Understanding, understanding. Thank you for your understanding. I do appreciate it.
Somewhere that is far away, but close enough for you to see or hear the things that are there.
Distance, distance. I could see Mary in the distance.
Very cruel, bad, or harmful.
Evil, evil. An evil monster.
Happening soon.
Forthcoming, forthcoming. We have just received the information about the forthcoming conference.
Something that shocks people because they think it is morally wrong.
Scandal, scandal. A financial or political scandal.
The use of drugs, exercises, etc. to cure a person of an illness or injury.
treatment, treatment,
Free dental treatment.
Used to tell someone that you do not know the answer to a question and that you are surprised they have asked you.
Ask. Ask. So why would she leave such a good job? Don't ask me.
To die because you are underwater and cannot breathe, or to kill someone in this way.
Drown. Drown. 2 people drowned in a boating accident yesterday.
Suggested as an idea or plan.
proposed, proposed,
The proposed road would cut right through the forest.
To talk or write about someone or something, especially briefly.
Refer. Refer. She didn't once refer to her son.
Used to emphasize that you do not think something is important.
Care. Care. Chelsea should have reached the final. Who cares?
To try to force someone to do something.
Pressure. Pressure. They're putting pressure on me to make a decision.
The process of protecting and looking after someone or something.
Care. Care. The standard of care at our local hospital is excellent.